also caused a disruption to public transportation, with the several bus and tram lines temporarily suspended. But the flights were also delayed and cancelled at the Paris airport due to severe weather conditions. Local authorities reported that several trees were uprooted and the roofs and some buildings were damaged due to the intensity of the storm. Paris, France was hit by a severe hailstorm on Wednesday, causing chaos on the streets and leaving many residents in shock. The hailstorm, same as a large golf ball, fell off approximately 20 minutes, causing damage to close buildings and other structures. Video and images shared on social media showed streets and sidewalks covered in a thick layer of hailstorms, making it difficult for pedestrians to move around. The unexpected hailstorms prompted authorities to issue a warning for potential flooding and landslides in the affected areas. Paris has experienced an unusual weather pattern in recent months, with a heat wave and summer flooded to heavy rainfall in storms. Residents of the city were left shocked by the intensity of the hailstorms, with many taking to social media to share in their expressive images and aftermath. Some experienced concern about the impact of climate change on extreme weather events in the region.